Hello MLSAs. Hope you are enjoying your new journey as an MLSA. To advance to beta, along with technical onboarding, you also need to host an event or workshop. Let us first go through hosting an event online, which is pretty easy and smooth process. Open the first link from the description. Make sure you pin or star mark it. Yes, this is student handbook, but very less students actually utilize this. Open that link. In the top menu, hover your mouse to resources and guidelines. Click on active forms. Now click on Cloud Skills Challenge Creation. Now, if you are hosting this event to level up your milestone to beta, I suggest you use a pre-made collection only. Open the previous tab, hover to the upper menu, hover over Hosting Participating, Sharing, in that hover to Hosting Events, then click on Cloud Skills Challenge. Now, scroll down. In the Preempt collection, if you are going to host the event before 31st December 2023, I strongly suggest to host either pre-made Azure Fundamentals or Azure AI Fundamentals Challenge, because if you will host any of these pre-made challenges, you will get a free Microsoft certification test voucher code along with other incentives. Okay, cool. Now let's move ahead. I'm showing you a demo by creating a challenge for me. So, I have already hosted 4+ of these pre-made collection challenges, so this time I want to host Azure Data Fundamentals Challenge. Also, feel free to give the name of the challenge as per your wish, not necessarily use the already existing names, be creative. Okay, so I want the name of the challenge A Dive into Azure Data Ocean Challenge. Write the name of the challenge in challenge title. Make sure to add challenge word at the end. Now, next is description. You may have your own description of the challenge, but I prefer to write it as like this. You may have your own. Also, don't copy my challenge name, ha. Now next field is time zone. If you are living in India, you may write IST. You may find your own time zone, just search it in Google. Okay, so now next is start and end date. Make sure to fill the challenge creation form before 3 weeks, okay? So, today is 16th and hence, I am putting the start date as 11th November 2023 and end date as 22nd November 2023. Next, click on Pre-made Collection, because we are using a pre-made collection. If you want to create your own collection, then follow the steps written in handbook, and if it is for alpha advancement, then make sure to have at least 10 modules in your collection, okay? Cool. Now select the pre-made challenge. Here I am hosting Azure Data Fundamentals, and hence selecting it. Make sure you select the one which you are hosting. And give preference to Azure Fundamentals, Azure AI Fundamentals them challenge, so not repeating them. Next, click on Submit. Voho, your challenge is created. Make sure to select Yes if you want MTC voucher benefit, if you are using Azure AI or Azure Fundamentals Pre-made Challenge. Now, what next? You will receive a mail in Outlook. Let me show you. So this is my Outlook. The mail will be something like this. You will receive within a week at max or so. This is your challenge link. You may view it by copy-pasting in your browser. So, till now we are done with first step, that is challenge creation. Now second thing is sharing the challenge with your friends and your community. Before this, or say for this, actually we need two things. First we have already, that is challenge link, and second is a form to get the details of the participants to send them certificate of completion of challenge and incentives to lucky winners. Let's start with form creation. From the Outlook itself, click on Forms and create new. Make sure to create the form as easy and simple as possible. We need only two things in the form, that is name of the participant and email ID to send the stuff. The name of the participant must match with the Microsoft Learn profile name. Also in the form description you may include these things, as I am mentioning here, that is name of the challenge, challenge link, start and end date, incentives. Make clear here that either you will provide LinkedIn Premium worth 12-month or Xbox Game Pass for 3 months, both worth $150, okay? Also, write that any of this prize will be given to each one per 10 participants and at max 25 only. In addition, feel free to share your email ID for any queries or link to any of your community groups. The most important is to write that participants will get everything after the event end only. Now copy the link of your form and paste in Notepad. Well, let's create a message now. Copy the same form description and paste in Notepad. Fill your details in this form after completion of the challenge to get certificate and lucky winner incentives. Paste the link of that form here. Now when the challenge begins, spread this across your community. If this is your first challenge, then take a few tips from your elder sister Miss Mirali. So what can you do to get at least 15 participants to complete the challenge or get a good number of participants to join your challenge? First thing is spread across your community, if you have created. Second is share it your friend circle and tell them to spread in their college groups. Third is utilize all of your university groups, be it coding, development or unofficial college WhatsApp groups. Share it there. Make sure to send only once at max twice, do not spam at all. A big no to spamming. Okay? No one like the same message every time. 4 RTH if you have YouTube, Facebook, Insta, etc. goof followers, share theory too. Fifth is our amazing life savior LinkedIn. It has a lot of treasures, let's move to it. In LinkedIn, create a post, use hashtags. If you have got any swags, then put the link of your challenge in that swag post, because swag post can give you a really good reach. Feature this post by giving it a star mark in your LinkedIn. Next is if you are at beta level or already have hosted events like this and have LinkedIn Premium, then utilize it. Let me share a quick one more secret. Add a button to your LinkedIn profile. Let me show you how I did. You too can do so. In this way, all those who will see your post or your profile may visit it and register for your challenge. Make sure to use the challenge link there instead of any form link. Previously, from my swag post itself, I have received a whopping 20k plus impressions and around 1k link clicks from LinkedIn itself. You too may try this. It was pretty long for sharing. Now comes the event end. Now after your event ends, open the challenge link and the second link from my description named as MLSA profile link. Sign in. On the left sidebar, find Events tab. In that, click on Add Event. Since this one was a cloud skills challenge, follow what I am doing. In title, copy-paste the title. In description, copy-paste the description. Select target audience, format online. Type must be others, OK. Left the technology area blank. Select the time zone, start and end date and time. Now the reach is the total number visible on your challenge page. It does not matter whether they completed the challenge till it ends or not. Like I have 78 as the number of participants, hence I am writing 78. Accordingly you have to write, OK. Now copy the URL of your challenge and paste it in event URL and recording URL, both the fields same URL, OK. Then click on Submit for approval. Next step is to wait for a week or so. You will receive an approval mail. If not received, in Teams type SA coordinator and ask them for the same. Don't spam Teams channels for this, OK? Well, now take a screenshot of that mail, save it. Now open the student handbook, first link of the description. Hover to Resource and Guidelines, then click on Active Forms. Now click on Incentives form. Here we will fill to get incentives for us and participants both. Fill the date of your event, title, unique attendees or say participants, upload the image, choose the incentive, as we have decided, LinkedIn Premium. Then if you want any of those then you can select else select I have already received. Then no workshop or metric content in CSC then write your full name and any other incentive idea if you have share it in the last space. Click on submit after reviewing it. Finally we are done. Congratulations, you have successfully hosted an event, got approved, and now wait for a few weeks. You will receive your incentives within a few weeks in your ambassador mail ID. Share them with your participants. Good luck with your journey. If you have completed your technical onboarding, then you are advanced to beta with your event approval. You will receive your beta swag kit within 2 months at max. Through FedEx. PS in FedEx you would require submitting personal information like Aadhaar card, if you are in India, to verify you as a human resident of the country. One more thing, find certificate template and digital swags from the same student's handbook. Hover on resources, click on marketing guidelines, and then download event certificate template and digital event swag. If I missed something, feel free to write in comments. Also, let me know, was this visual helpful to you? So that I can know on whether to create any such visuals or not. Also, if this helps you then hit the subscription button, it's free.